Are you reviewing for the upcoming LET or licensure examination for teachers? Ako din. Together, let's review. I am creating a series of video lessons, review lessons for myself actually, at para rin sa iba na magtitake ng exams. I am actually a practicing educator. I graduated from Ateneo de Manila University with a degree in literature and English. And right now, I am currently studying sa University of the Philippines Open University. So, graduate program, professional teaching certificate from UP. I am a practicing educator for the past 9 years now. I used to teach in De La Salle University as a professor, as a part-time lecturer, while holding an MYP and DP position. Ano ba yung MYP and DP? Nagtuturo kasi ako sa International Baccalaureate. It's an international program. Tapos, ang hinahandle ko are grades 8, middle years program, grades 8 to grade 12, DP program. So, sa atin, ang counterpart niya ay high school. Back then, I never really needed my license because I was able to get my international job based on my diploma and my experience. But now, because of the amendment in the law, I want to take the exam and to upgrade also my career.